So day one of Mana Rangatahi is a really important day, and even though this is probably about our 5th, 6th, 7th wānanga that we've had, it's still really important in that it's the welcoming process and welcoming people into the fold. It's really important from day one that they're inducted into the wānanga process and that they all are aware about what the expectation is. We also acknowledge about all of those who have done so much for them to have this opportunity. This is the biggest crew that we've ever had on a Mana Rangatahi. With our parents we have 36 people going, okay, which is a big crew. We normally are around about 25. Today is really around about getting to know each other, because a big part of our wānanga is whakawhanaungatanga. We are going to transform you two. This to be rangatira. Okay, so we're going to go from skiriandis to rangatira. Skiriandis, rangatira. Okay, so that when you go away from this wānanga, you know how to operate as a rangatira. Also, part of the thing that happens on day one is that we have what we call the patching ceremony. And so whether it's a Ngāti Apa ki te rātō hoodie or a beanie, it's always really important to start to weave together that unity.
My name is Keeper and I'm 8 years old and I'm looking forward to going to the lakes.
I'm Alex.
I'm Noah.
I'm William.
What are you guys looking forward to about this next week?
No idea.
No? Not yet? Nothing? Nothing to say yet?
So already in only really only half a day, you've learned so much. We're going to jump on the bus soon. We're going to pack all of our stuff in. We've got to make sure that the lunch stuff is the last stuff to go in.
I came down here with my cousins and I'm feeling quite nervous.
Kia ora, ko manaia tuku ingoa. So this is my second Mana Rangatahi. I thought the last one was amazing, so I just wanted to come back and learn more about my iwi.
So what is going on? Someone told me how I was strong, 'cause I am not myself, and myself is not my own. So cover me in red, raise me overhead, but you still won't see me there. And when I close my eyes, pulls me to the side to tell me that I'm there.
To our ancestral lakes, Rotoiti, Rotoroa, we greet you. To our great ancestor, Kupe, who created our lakes, we greet you.
So the special significance that these lakes have are physical and spiritual.
Lake Rotorua and Lake Rotorua represents the ice sockets of the Whikamutaranga.
Behind us is Kehu and Pourangaho.
Our ancestors are gathered here, our greetings are gathered here, and we as people are also gathered here to greet the lake.
A long time ago they sustained our people with food, shelter and also spiritually.
Kia ora tātou, ko Papa Kei tōku ingoa, ko au te pau ahurea o Ngāti Apa ki te rātō. Kia ora, my name is Papa Kei, and I'm the Cultural Advisor for Ngāti Apa ki te rātō. And here we are at Mana Rangatahi down here at Rotoiti. We've got a really big crew this year. We've got 35 all up, including our mamas and our papas. And so it's great to see that more and more rangatahi are coming here. So what is Mana Rangatahi? Basically, Mana Rangatahi at a real low level is an opportunity for our rangatahi to come together, to meet one another, to learn a little bit about their cultural heritage and to express themselves as being Ngāti Apa ki te rātō. On a higher level, Mana Rangatahi is a whare wānanga that has been specifically designed to develop the next generation of our Jedi, our cultural practitioners, our tomorrow, our leaders who will take over the cultural responsibilities of our tribe. So we're really lucky within the Ngāti Apa ki te rātō rohe in that we've got really beautiful wāhi tapu, and one of those beautiful areas is Rotoiti and Rotorua. And you know, you go there and you can feel the spirituality, the connection that we have with the area, and then you overlay on top of that the historic account, the kōrero tuku iho that we have there, Rotoiti, Rotorua, Rotopohu e roa, Rote Maire whenua, and what all of this meant to our tūpuna, how they traverse those tracks. And so it is almost like you have been transported back in time. And I guess that's the really unique thing about Ngāti Apa ki te rātō, is because of our connection to Rotoiti, we're able to bring the mountains, we're able to bring the lakes alive.
Doing our pepeha mihi mihi, and for the people who have been here for a couple of wānanga, they have extended and grown, and then for our new ones we have taught them their apatanga, and yeah.
We're working on pepeha for my two boys, got Mac, Wiramu and Rawiri. So at the moment Rawiri's doing theirs and I'm working on volume, so presence.
So at our last wānanga down at Anamahanga, that was probably the first time that Ngātuki, who are our Jedi in training, our tutors in training, was the first time that they really helped to co-facilitate the wānanga. This time they really stepped up to another level, and in particular we had some of our tuakana who have been out of the wānanga for the last year. They've been able to return, and so we had a really strong group of Ngātuki. It means that I'm able to sit back and delegate some of the roles and responsibilities. It also means that we are building the succession plan of this model, and that it's not reliant on just one person. Have a chat to your mentor, and then we'll figure out who is going to stand.
Which one of you boys feels confident? Is confident in doing
Not
it?
me. What is the one person? I can't read. Oldest.
Pauranga hau ki runga, Rotoiti ke raro, kua hau kei Wainganui, ti hei Māori ora. Ko pui ki reru te maunga, ko Rotoiti, ko Rotorua ngā roto, ko rau kawakawa te moana.
No Ngāti Apa ki te rātō ahau, ko Ella Parish taku ingoa, no reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.
O ki te anei whenua hei whenua, maua kai te manawa o tauhau e.
ko puhi kereru te maunga, ko kura haupo te waka, ko rau kawakawa te moana, ko roto iti, ko roto roa, ngā roto, ko ōmaka, ko whakasū, ngā marae, ko Ngāti Apa ki te rātō te iwi, ko Ngāti Tara Kaipa te hapu, ko meihana kereopa te tangata, ko pērao hau. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
These rangatahi look after each other, they look after their little cousins, they teach them all the things, you know, like picking up after themselves, but they're having fun at the same time.
Kia ora, I'm Kitty P.
Kia ora, I'm Māori.
And this is Apa TV. This week from Rangatahi, we've been learning about our lakes, Utuiti and Uturua, and our maunga,
Kihu and Pourangaho. Here we are at Rainbow Ski Field doing some skiing and snowboarding. Like Papa K said, do the mahi,
get the treats.
And you text that other ex, the one that said that they'd be there when you needed them. Peace of mind, don't waste your time with looking back. They're broken pieces of past. Come here and make some love that makes some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts. You lay back, cold shower with the music on, hoping the sounds will drown them out till you're sober now. Fighting the thoughts that you will never be in love, that you will never feel it all from this time on. Here I am, don't waste your time with looking back. They're broken pieces of past. Come here and make some love that makes some love that lasts, 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 lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts.
Oh,
With everything that's going on at the moment within our cultural program, within our mana rangatahi wānau, our iwi is in a healthy state, and it's the first time that we've been in this position for a very, very long time. It would take a lot to shoot us out of the sky.